Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we dig through the tech jungle to help you make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we're pitting two robotic gladiators against each other in the ultimate vacuum showdown. In the left corner, we have the Roborock Q7 Max, and in the right corner, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus. Get ready for a battle of suction, mopping, and who can avoid getting tangled in your pet's hair. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the price. The Roborock Q7 Max comes in at $599. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus is slightly cheaper at $549. So if you're looking to save a few bucks, the Roomba might already have you swooning. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for. Now onto suction power. The Roborock Q7 Max boasts a whopping 4,200 pascals suction power. That's like having a mini tornado in your living room. On the other hand, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus uses a 4-stage cleaning system with dual rubber brushes. While it doesn't specify the exact suction power, it does promise to pull in the everyday dirt and debris. So, if you want to feel like you're vacuuming with a black hole, the Roborock Q7 Max has got your back. Both vacuums claim to handle mopping duties, but let's see how they stack up. The Roborock Q7 Max can vacuum and mop simultaneously with 30 water flow levels. It's like the Swiss Army knife of robot vacuums. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus also offers wet floor cleaning, but with a twist. It converts from a vacuum to a mop with a simple bin switch. It's like a Transformers movie, but with less explosions and more cleaning. Navigation is key for any good robot vacuum. The Roborock Q7 Max uses PresaSense LiDAR navigation, which sounds like something straight out of a sci-fi movie. It builds precise 3D maps of your home and efficiently monitors cleaning routes. Meanwhile, the Roomba Combo i5 Plus creates an imprint smart map and can be directed to clean specific rooms whenever you want. So if you're into commanding your vacuum like a tiny, obedient soldier, the Roomba's got the edge. Here's where things get really interesting. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus can automatically empty its bin for up to 60 days. That's 2 whole months of not thinking about vacuuming. It's like having a butler, but without the snarky comments. The Roborock Q7 Max, on the other hand, combines a 470 milliliters dustbin with a 350 milliliters water tank, meaning less frequent emptying and refilling. But alas, it doesn't have the self-emptying feature. So if you're lazy like me, the Roomba might just win this round. For all the pet owners out there, let's talk about pet hair. The Roborock Q7 Max has a multi-directional all-rubber brush that resists hair tangles. It's like the vacuum equivalent of a hairbrush that never gets clogged. The Roomba Combo i5 Plus uses dual multi-surface rubber brushes that also avoid getting tangled. So both vacuums should handle your furry friend's shedding with ease. When it comes to online reviews, the Roborock Q7 Max is praised for its powerful suction, efficient multi-level mapping, and versatility. Users appreciate its ability to adapt to different floor types and avoid obstacles. However, some mention the small dustbin and water reservoir as minor drawbacks. On the other hand, the iRobot Roomba Combo i5 Plus receives mixed reviews. While many users are satisfied with its cleaning performance and self-emptying feature, others find the mapping unreliable and the software difficult to use with complex floor plans. Overall, both products have their strengths and weaknesses, but the Roborock Q7 Max seems to have a slight edge in terms of user satisfaction. So there you have it, folks. Both the Roborock Q7 Max and the Roomba Combo i5 Plus bring their A game to the table. If you're all about powerful suction and 3D mapping, the Roborock might be your new best friend. But if you prefer a vacuum that empties itself and follows your voice commands, the Roomba's got your back. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a battle of the bots. Until next time, keep shopping smart and stay awesome. Product links are in the description.